everyone. Hope you're having a great day. This is Marcia coming to you from Florida. We have a very wet day today, and I wanted to share something with you that I'm working on for some of the local friends, just as my way of cheering up the friends and saying hello and we miss you and waiting to be together again. I'm making Happy Mail binders. So this is your standard like 10 and by 11 by 1 inch binder, and I ordered these from Office Depot years ago and held on to them and decided what am I going to do with them, so now I came up with it. So it took hours and hours and hours of embellishing it, and the front cover I did what they call snippet roll here, is just torn pieces of papers from different patterns and books and what have you, and then you just stitch it together. And so I just did that as a decorative. And then the inside pocket here, I just took a piece of cardstock and cut it to fit inside. And then this was just gold foil words, sentiment words that I had from a pack I had gotten off of Home Shopping. So what I did was take my cardstock and I sewed pockets. I did use my 3-hole punch. And I have a divider pages, and then I have the pocket pages. So there's several of each. There's 3 divider pages, several pocket pages. And then on the divider pages, I decided to go ahead and embellish the front. So what I did on this one here, this is the last divider page, and then there's 2 pocket pages behind this. Okay, so I took this, and it's from a single 12 by 12 sheet of paper, and then I made 3 pockets from that. You could have 4 pockets, but I decided to just glue the whole thing down. And this is, because it's cardstock, it's really, really sturdy. And then stitching it makes it even not going to go anywhere. And then I just took, and this is a pocket tag. So then I'm going to tuck some little goodies in here, maybe some tea bags, things of that nature. And then this is just a tag, and then they can use it for them later on. This fits in here, kind of a little snug, so I didn't want to damage the embellishments, and then I just did a cute little cluster on the front of those and hand stitched this as well. And then I made the little notepad, so I just took my artwork paper, this is kids art paper, and I did a signature, so I punched the holes and then I tied the twine, so this is making a signature. And if I would have had a long arm stapler, I could have stapled the pages, so this is just real easy to do. It's 10 pages. Okay, so then this goes in the back pocket, and then this one here, that's the little pocket tag, goes in the center pocket, and then the just regular tag goes in the first pocket. So I will be putting little ties on the top of this. I haven't decided how I want to decorate that yet. So then here's a pocket page, so they can put anything in here. They can put their workbooks or magazines or whatever they wanted to use it for. It's completely up to them. I decided to do this in a fall theme, so I don't know who likes fall, but I'm going to gift it to, like I said, some of the local friends. So I hope they love fall. I know a sister that's over on the west side of the state, and I met her through an Etsy shop back when I was the captain of an Etsy team. And she absolutely loves fall-themed things, and her whole house she keeps decorated in pumpkins and fall items all year long, greenery and what have you. But I said, you know, this time I'm going to widen out, and I'm going to gift to friends I've never gifted before, and ones that I don't know well so that I can get to know better. So instead of my regular friends that I would always make things and send to, which I still am going to send them a little card, and it's going to be pretty decorated like this. But anyway, so these are going out to friends that have never gotten gifts from me before. Alright, so then this pocket is just a plain envelope, standard white envelope that I made into a pocket. So here's a pocket here, and then here's a pocket here. And then I embellished this. This literally took me hours to embellish this whole thing, because you have to think this whole thing out. How am I going to embellish this? You know, and then you go through your stash of supplies and then you figure out what you want. Isn't this adorable? It made a little banner here, This is a little mini tag. Isn't that just precious? And then a bow, and then a little pleated fabric here, another little cluster here. I hand stitched the whole thing. And then this one here has a whole cluster behind this that you don't get to see the bottom part. And then I just put, actually this, I took an old camisole top that had this lace trim on it. It was absolutely beautiful. So I cut that off. So then I stitched that on. And then here's more fabric out of my stash back here. And then I hand inked the whole thing. And then these are your little glassine bags. So a sister that I met on Etsy again, she no longer has a shop, and she lives in Alabama. And I met her because her son was in our congregation, and he got married, and she came for the wedding, and oh, I was so excited to meet her in person. I just loved her. And okay, so this is a bookmark that she made, and I'm going to put it in the back. And then another sister gifted me a whole bunch of gift items because she knew that I always made these little gift bags up and sent to the friends. I used to have a gift of the month club, and I would take the leftover gift bags that didn't sell, and I would gift those to local charities and friends. So then this little glassine bag, I will decorate it up, and then a little gift will go in here. I was thinking maybe put some honey sticks in this, since I'm going to be putting tea bags and the other pocket one back here. So that's my thought on that. Okay, so and then up here, I'm not quite sure yet, I may put something here on this page so that it's not just this dark white. And then I'll do the same on the back cover here as well. And then I put another fall themed apples cardstock in the back. So anyway, so there you have it, and I hope you like that. So if you would like to come over to my YouTube channel, you will get to see me make this in live time. I will be making another album, Happy Mail Binder, today. So this is just a sneak peek, and thank you so much for watching. I'd love to have you subscribe to my channel. When I reach 100 subscribers, I'm going to be giving a $10 credit to my Etsy shop, Markets of Sunshine, to one person. You have to be subscribed, you have to favorite my Etsy shop, you have to follow my blog, you have to be leaving comments, and follow me on Instagram, and leaving comments there as well. So I'll have the rules on my blog later on once I reach 100 subscribers. So please share and invite your friends to come and join along, and check out my Etsy shop, Markets of Sunshine, and then you'll get to see some of the items that you may be able to win a $10 credit for that you could purchase. Okay, so thanks so much, and I hope to see you in the next video.